Hello, Creston students and families. My name is Mrs. Storm, and I am our school principal here at Creston. The purpose of this short video is just to make sure that our students and their parents or caregivers have a clear understanding of how to navigate our different Canvas courses that your student will use on their planned e-learning day, which is Tuesday, November 3rd. Parents and caregivers, just so that you know, the information shared in this video will apply to your student any day that they are working from home on any school-related activities. The timing just made sense because all of our students will be at home Tuesday, November 3rd for that e-learning day. So just so that you know, all this information should transfer to any other day that your child has assignments to work on at home. When you log into Canvas, students, you know that you have all those different squares for each of your teacher's classes. I'm showing you an 8th grade math example today, but parents and caregivers, this layout and the setup of this particular page is the same layout that we have asked all of our Creston teachers to use just to make sure that things are really easily understandable and so that you know where to find important information for all of your child's teachers. So if we look at this page, all of our teachers will have a teacher info and a course info button down at the bottom. Students, when you navigate through each of your classes and you click on just that first page that you get to or the home page for the class, you should be taken to a page that looks very similar to this. Parents, if you click teacher info, this is where you can certainly access personal information about the teacher in terms of how to contact them via email, by phone, maybe what time they're available during the day, and any other helpful details that they can share with you. If I go back to that course homepage and click on course info, many of our teachers here have shared just a brief overview of their class in general, some syllabus-related information, possibly a Zoom login, and then any other details related to digital content or other tasks for their particular class. In terms of the assignments that students will be doing each day, you can see that they're laid out month by month. And so if we click on November, since we're now in November, and we know that today, when I'm making this video, is Monday, November 2nd. So if I click on Monday, I can see that this teacher has clearly differentiated between the tasks for her Black cohort students in addition to her Gold cohort students. So today we know that Black cohort is an in-person group or an instructional day group for those of our virtual learners. So if I'm a Black cohort student, I would look at this top section to determine my tasks and assignments for today. Gold cohort students have their information down at the bottom, which is very clearly labeled for them as well. Usually our teachers link in the specific assignments or tasks for the day, and so you can see that that will then take them to a specific place that they might need to go to complete the day's work. Students and families, if you have any trouble navigating Canvas, you can always reach out to one of our grade level counselors or our grade level administrators or myself. There's also a way that you can pair as an observer so that you can see within Canvas all the different things your child is working on. We've shared that information several times over the course of the year, but we are happy to share it again if we need to. I hope that this format and the layout of these pages is helpful for you and your student to make sure that you can navigate to all of your different assignments. The benefit here is also that you can access that teacher info anytime you might need to contact that teacher. So just know that it's always there waiting for you on those home pages for each of your students' Canvas courses. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. We hope that not only our first planned e-learning day, but all of our other days for virtual learners and application day students go smoothly as you navigate Canvas as well.